Most mortgage brokers take 24 to 48 hours to quote a DSCR deal. They're stuck in the old way of doing things. But a real lender can underwrite it in about 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. Let's walk through a real-world deal. Imagine we have a property with a purchase price of $300,000. The monthly rent is coming in at $2,400, and the borrower is looking for a loan request that's 75% LTV. In the traditional world, you'd be waiting days for a quote. But here, we already know if this deal works. Establishing authority immediately is what separates the elite brokers from the rest of the pack. Let's get into the calculation. Most brokers overcomplicate this, but it's actually quite simple. You start by comparing the monthly rent versus the estimated total monthly payment, or PITIA. You apply a rough rate assumption based on current market trends to see where the numbers land. Then you stress test the deal. What if the rate is 50 basis points higher? Does it still cash flow? You don't need perfect numbers yet. What you really need right now is directional certainty. When you can see the numbers live in a system like Relip, you're already miles ahead of the competition. You're giving your client a yes, while others are still looking for their calculator. That's power. But here's where deals actually get killed. It's the details that most brokers completely overlook. First, taxes and insurance are often underestimated. These are silent deal killers in underwriting. Second, vacancy is often not considered or calculated at the wrong percentage for the market. Third, using wrong rent assumptions. If the market rent is lower than your projection, the deal dies. And finally, the borrower profile mismatch. If the borrower doesn't fit the lender's box, it's over. So even if the DSCR looks good on paper, without the right data, the deal still dies in underwriting. Now, a real operator doesn't just ask, does it work? They have a completely different mindset. They ask, how do I make it work? They look for the levers they can pull to save the deal. Maybe you need to adjust the leverage. A small tweak in LTV can sometimes fix a failing DSCR. Or you change your rate assumptions. Sometimes paying more in points can yield a better long-term result. You can also structure reserves. Lenders love seeing that the borrower has skin in the game. The key is matching the deal to the right lender. Not every lender wants every type of deal. This is exactly where the Relip system gives you that massive, unfair advantage. Our deal radar and automated intelligence do the heavy lifting for you in real time. By the time most brokers are still formatting their emails to lenders, you're already moving. You already have a yes or a no. You have a structure. You have a clear direction. That speed the lead is how you win deals in today's market. You can't afford to wait. This isn't just a tool. It's a complete system designed for high-performing operators. If you want to move like this, where deals are pre-structured and priced instantly, it's time. Join the 500-plus loan officers and brokerages who are already winning with Relip. Book a call today. We'll show you exactly how we do it inside our system. Let's get to work.